The animal cruelty case against National Assembly Speaker Thandi Modise has been dismissed. AfriForum's private prosecution unit brought the case before the Potchefstroom Regional Court, arguing that Modise had neglected animals at her farm. Khayelihle Khumalo attended proceedings for us. He joins us now live. So Khaya, just take us through what happened in court today and how the judge came to this conclusion.
Well, so Shahan, that's right. So Ms. Modise faced about 6 counts, all of them surrounding the issue of cruelty on her farm. But also, most importantly, one of the very key arguments that has been presented by the prosecution was around the abdication of responsibilities on the side of Ms. Modise. But obviously, the magistrate was not convinced around that issue, especially because there was a particular person by the name of Tebogo who was assigned to look after this farm. And the magistrate said Tebogo really failed dismally in his duties to make sure that the animals were taken care of, especially because one of the critical arguments has been around the failure of Ms. Modise to procure the feed for the pigs, for the chickens, and other livestock. But of course, once again, now the court has been able to establish that, in fact, there was quite adequate amount of feed in the farm. But critically, now the issue is Tebogo was supposed to perform his duties. And so in that case, the magistrate reached a point to say there is no prima facie case against Ms. Modise. And of course, it was quite a moment of vindication for her.
Yeah, so Thandi Modise is saying afterwards that this has been a period of hell for her.
Well, that's right, Shahan, because she goes back. This particular case happened when she was still the premier here in the Northwest. I mean, she goes as far as saying that it's been 7 years of hell because, I mean, clearly as a black woman, she went into this particular terrain where she was and essentially where she was put down for all these wrongdoings. And it's quite a very critical moment, Shahan, as it happens. The ANC sees the issue around the step-aside resolution. When I asked her if she was going to step aside, has she been found guilty? And she said she had no pressure. And from her side, really, she did not steal any money. But Shahan, this is what she had to say.
It's been 7 years of hell. In fact, it started even before the pigs died. It started the moment I went into a contractual relationship with the land bank. For the first time in South Africa, a contract between an individual, a client of the bank, was put in the newspapers and questioned. So it's been a long journey. It started with an article in the Farmers Weekly declaring that a black woman had bought a farm.